how to buy Maya Mobile eSIM. I will also going to show you how you can activate and install eSIM on your device. First of all, click the link in the description below and you will land on their official website. Now you can also do this on your mobile. The purchasing process is similar. The only con is you cannot install Maya Mobile application. It is only available on the browser. Anyway, you just need to scroll down and click on browse all 200 plus destination. In my personal opinion, you can do this on your laptop or computer. It's much easier to navigate. Anyway, you can simply scroll down and this is where you can select popular eSIM plan, or if you want to select a specific destination, you can scroll down and as you can see, we have all the countries listed here. As an example, I will simply go for USA eSIM, and then you just need to scroll down and select how many days you are going to travel. As an example, let's simply select 5 days and the price will going to adjust accordingly. Then you can simply click on buy now. You can also preview which network they are going to use for this specific eSIM. You can also change the plan length from this menu and the plan activation date. Let's say you are going to travel on 10th of October, you can simply select and then there is an option of auto recharge. Now this is where you can simply toggle this option on and this is automatically going to top up automatically each additional 5 GB data package for $9, which is the same price of the package that we are purchasing. Now you have also options of trip cancellation, money back guarantee and 24/7 customer support. Click on review and pay, and now you just need to register your Maya Mobile account by simply entering your first name, last name, email address, password and your mobile number. Then tap on review and pay, and now you just need to select your payment method. You can go with credit or debit card, or you can go with PayPal and Google Pay as well. Then click on pay and you will going to receive a specific QR code which is going to look something like this. You will going to receive a QR code which you just need to scan from your device. Now to do so, you have to simply open up your mobile and then you need to head over to your mobile settings. Now keep in mind you can also do this by taking the screenshot of your QR code and then scanning it from your gallery, and your device will automatically detect that it's an eSIM and then you can follow the on-screen instructions. Otherwise, go for mobile network or look for the eSIM option. Simply click on it and then click on add eSIM. Click on next on the bottom right, and now you just need to scan the QR code that you have received. After scanning the QR code, simply click on the download on the bottom, and this is going to take few minutes, so make sure to be patient. After downloading your eSIM, you can simply click on the three dots and click on enable, and this is how you can buy, activate and install eSIM